If you need to change your OneDrive password, you actually do that through your Microsoft account because OneDrive uses the same sign-in details. In this video, I'll walk you through the full process step by step so you can update your password quickly and safely. And if this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides like this one. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to the Microsoft account page. You can do this by visiting account.microsoft.com. Once the page loads, sign in with the Microsoft account that is connected to your OneDrive storage. This is the account you use for Outlook, OneDrive, Xbox, or any other Microsoft service. After you sign in, you'll be taken to your Microsoft account dashboard. From here, look toward the top right area of the page and click Change Password. This is the option that lets you update the password for your Microsoft and OneDrive account. At this point, Microsoft may ask you to verify your identity before continuing. If that happens, follow the on-screen instructions carefully. You may be asked to enter your alternate email address or another recovery method that you previously added to your account. This step is important because Microsoft wants to make sure it's really you making the change. Once you enter the alternate email, check that inbox for a verification code. Copy that code and paste it into the verification screen on Microsoft's website. Then click Verify or Next, depending on what you see on your screen. If the code is accepted, Microsoft will let you continue to the password reset page. Now you'll see the password change form. First, enter your current password in the required field. This confirms that you still have access to the account. Then type in your new password. Make sure your new password is strong, unique, and easy for you to remember, but hard for other people to guess. A good password usually includes a mix of uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. After that, confirm the new password by typing it again in the final field. This helps prevent mistakes and makes sure both entries match exactly. Before moving on, take one more quick look to make sure there are no typing errors, because even a small typo can cause login problems later. When everything looks correct, click Save. Microsoft will process the change and your OneDrive password will be updated. After that, you can use your new password to sign in to OneDrive and any other Microsoft services connected to the same account. If you're signed in on other devices, you may need to enter the new password there as well. This can include your phone, laptop, browser, or any app that uses your Microsoft account. So if you notice that OneDrive asks you to log in again, just use the new password you created. And that's it. You've successfully changed your OneDrive password through your Microsoft account. It only takes a few minutes, but it's one of the best things you can do to keep your files and personal information secure. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.